because it's really dark. Why don't you sit over there? Christmas, take one. I like these guys.
Mannheim, these figurines, and I dreamt that one of them didn't have a head, but you had the head and you kept it in the kitchen. Oh, the head's right here. That's weird.
Uh-oh, too many medications.
I guess.
Okay.
Too much sleep when you start dreaming like that.
Okay.
Okay, you go first.
I go first.
Yes, that one next to you.
Oh, okay.
That's from Cheryl.
Well, Pam and I always just do our thing. And do you know what that is?
No.
It's an orchid.
This is an orchid?
Yes.
So tiny.
I have to say,
See?
there's little flowers there.
Yeah, they're teeny tiny.
It's phalaenopsis. Never saw that. They keep coming out with all different ones. Who's this from, Cheryl?
Well,
It's beautiful.
It's for Cheryl.
thank you.
Wow, this is lovely.
Very nice. Lovely, I love that.
Wow. Very nice.
No batteries. For me?
For you.
Thank you. Let's see, I want to see what your present is.
Son and daughter-in-law.
That was for Mom.
Jean's proud of
This is for Jean.
much. Merry
This is for
Christmas.
Cheryl.
Love,
Thank you.
each unique and wonderful in your own way.
I want to see. Mickey, come here and open your present. I
Son.
want to see what it is.
Open. As this one is yours too.
Who's opening it from?
That's from Jean and I.
Oh,
What's that? Oh, that's for the dog.
happy hips.
Yeah, that's for your hips, mother.
Health maintained. Healthy joints. That's
Do
what
you
I
think
need.
the doggy would eat
Healthy
those?
joints.
A doggy will eat anything. The doggy does not have a problem with eating. She only when she can't. Now, yeah, she can start eating again today.
Oh, that's good. My birds are going to be taken care of.
Got bird food there.
Oh,
Right.
that's great. Thank you. Thank you. This all mine?
Yep.
That's all
Keep
yours.
going.
Keep on going.
And Cheryl.
Okay. Gift card. Oh.
Now, that is good for either Olive Garden, Red Lobster, Longhorn Steakhouse. Who
All
else?
the
We have a
Darden-
Red Lobster.
All the Darden,
Darden
any of the Darden
restaurants.
places.
I
Anything
think-
owned by Darden.
Yeah. Do you know Darden?
Well, we have Red Lobster.
Yeah,
And
we
there's
got-
not a
Right, but
garden
they're
up in
all by
Milton.
the same company.
You've got all of them here.
Sunflower.
We looked them up.
Okay. I don't know what Longhorn is, but
There's a Longhorn up here, Steakhouse. There's a
thank you.
Red Lobster. There's Olive Garden. You can use it any one of those.
Maybe I'll take her up to Olive Garden, and then we can go to the Christmas tree store afterwards.
Yeah.
Take 'em out.
There you go.
Nice.
Thank you.
Herb tea.
Tea.
Thank you, Gia and Mimi. Mom, we're going out for dinner. Sounds like mothballs. Oh! And then my thermometer. My thermometer never works. Do you know what? I was just teased. I was just looking at my thermometer outside thinking, you know what, that doesn't work.
Oh, it doesn't
still.
work?
No, the one I have outside, yeah.
Yeah.
Does it stick on the window?
Yeah, and we stuck it on the window, and then I changed the thing, and it still didn't work. It's still 40 degrees out.
That's nice. Bottle perfume. Wonderful.
Oh.
Thank you very much. Smells great. Very nice. Perfume. Now I can smell good.
The tutti frutti.
Yes, whatever.
Did Pamela bring all this stuff out?
She did. I'm
carried
trying.
it
I don't
all
know
on
how
the
she got those
plane?
stairs out. I can't believe she got those stairs out. Unless she got them when I wasn't
Oh,
with
so
her.
the dog doesn't have to jump anymore, huh?
She must have checked her baggage then. She didn't do carry-on.
No, she checked her
No.
baggage. But I can't believe that unless she got that in the Christmas tree shop.
Oh, an elegant bottle.
Oh, I hope I can get this back through.
Oh, you can't.
Oh.
It's over 3 ounces.
Uh-oh. How many ounces? Can't be 3 ounces.
It is, this one.
Probably is.
Say?
You have to mail it.
No, it's not. It's 1.7.
Good.
Got another candle.
See, we didn't think of that
Oh,
one.
my heat. A new heating
Flavor.
pad for my back. Thank you. Thank you, Mom.
What's that?
A new heating pad for my back. I have the thing fell off of mine. The top, and I actually burned myself. It's still not even healed.
Smells good. I like this.
Does it have an atomizer on it?
It
No,
does.
but it's a wet dry, so I assume that I can just put a wet towel on it and then put this on top of it.
Very nice. Thank you, Jean. I can bring it through customs. Not in this box.
Thank you, Mother. I was just looking out at the window thinking, you know, I really ought to take that thing down because it doesn't work. But I want to be able to see it.
Huh.
I was looking at that yesterday and it said it was like 40 degrees. I thought it was right.
No, it wasn't. It hasn't. It's been 40 degrees forever.
Oh, okay. That's funny.
I don't know. I mean, I don't know why it never worked right.
Burst D, honey lip balm.
Oh, yes. I've heard it burn.
Lip balm. That's good. Very useful.
I have to borrow your computer. Plug in my
Yeah,
iTouch
she needs to
charge.
get that charge. Follow my football stats tomorrow.
Yeah.
Is that the only way that
Winning team.
can you plug it into the wall? I mean, can you plug it into?
Well, this one plugs into the into your computer.
Yeah, but
it
I think-
charges off the computer and also used as a USB port for it.
I think I have a charger for a USB thing.
Box.
Yeah, but not for an iTouch.
Well, I'm
So
gonna leave
that's
this
the
box
problem.
Well, I just need to see the. Well, yeah, I didn't need to see the end of
I
it.
left mine in Florida.
I've got a whole bunch of different
I had it
things.
for $15. Well, you see what it is? I'll show you. Let me show you
I
what
just want to see the end of it.
Thank you, sir.
Huh? Thank you.
Coffee. Oh, a check. Check for $200. See, I don't know if you unless you have an Apple.
I just need
See
to
the
see
end
the. Oh
on that
no.
one?
Okay, I don't have that end.
I think I'll leave this one up here.
I mean, I have a lot of
I've got
different
them in
ends.
Florida. I'll leave one up here.
It's so tiny. I know it.
For my snow. But that'll be one for the dog. Everybody buys me warm clothes. for
You
the
must
dog.
be expecting snow with those gloves, huh?
Oh,
Well, last year I said I went out and bought myself a new snow shovel. Mom got me a snow shovel. I think that was my Christmas present last year.
You got
I
the
said,
snow
if,
shovel
do you know that we had the snow shovels that we had were from the old house?
Oh,
I mean-
no, I haven't seen them, but
Well, you would remember them. I mean, they're like all broken. I mean, they're all, you know, bent and everything. I mean, I'll bet that they were they're collector's items. And I said to Mom, records for my amazing pet. Records for my amazing pet.
Record keeper?
Records, yeah. For my amazing pet.
Hold it up, let's see.
For your amazing pet?
Yeah,
Where
she's
is
really
that
amazing.
amazing pet?
She's still in bed. She's a pain in the neck. She'll get up in the morning about like maybe sometimes like 4 or 5 o'clock. She'll like bug me to get out of bed, and I'll think, you know what, I have to. She must really have to go. So I'll get up and I come out here and I look and I turn around. She's not there. I like go back and look for her, and she's back in bed after she's like pawed me.
Just getting you up.
Get up, get my breakfast ready.
No,
And I'll be up later.
out of bed.
You probably wanted more space. It made you get out.
I smell perfume.
Yeah, you like it? Yeah. I just sprayed it on me. I like it. It's not too heavy. What? Oh,
I really like bags.
Oh, you know, the only thing I didn't get yesterday while we were at the store was a razor blade. I need to shave.
I think Mom's got disposable ones.
This is beautiful.
So there too. These records.
Nice mugs. Mine are
See that?
getting pretty.
It's a record. It's like a portable office or something. It's like on Staples.
This is like a scent. So like mint.
I know.
Go, Missy. Go, Missy. Go, go, go. I wanted to get a picture of them. See. Go, go. Wait, run.
Heidi's gonna have a baby. There goes
That's all
her.
they need.
Everybody brings something. Mostly salmon, sausage and peppers, and lasagna.
It was the
And I brought clams. Merry Christmas.
dinner.
I work too.
I know. Sometimes you just
Fly
can't
under
put
the
up
radar.
with it.
But you know, no. Yes, you see what goes on, and it's aggravating. But, and same thing applies where I work. I tell my wife the same thing. They're getting paid to run that school, not you. What do you guys want? You know, yeah, no, I was suspicious. What do you guys want now? Well, they had made a drug bust in one of the dormitories, and they had a safe that had drugs in it that they wanted me to open. I was like, oh, that sounds exciting.
You got a warrant?
No, they already arrested the guy. They brought the safe to me, and
So you safe crack it.
I was kind of disappointed it opened so easy.
Too
You know,
easy.
yeah, I don't get to do that sort of stuff that often anymore. You know, once you become the institutional locksmith, which I've been for 21 years, you don't work on safes, you don't work on cars. So.
Hey, Mom.
No, there was a whole bunch of names, but that's the one I remembered.
Classical names.
Yeah.
Oh, I see where it is now.
he's got a light inside there. Absolutely. I swear I saw smoke coming out of the
I
chimney.
did too. That's what I thought.
I did when we were up higher.
Looked like it.
Yeah.
Yeah, good. I like it.
Because, but the house is dark, although they've had the lights were on last night.
What's the number of the house?
No, yeah, that's always been there.
No, this is sculpture. This is nice. Yeah, I like it.
Well, where's the?
By the end of the winter, it's going to be 10 feet tall.
It's gonna be in the newspaper.
Yeah. I think that's great.
Wasting water is a drought.
The battery's dead. Protecting the pump. And there's a pump of some.
Yeah, there is a wood structure inside there.
Yeah.
Shining on it. It's up in the tree.
Yeah, but it wasn't last night. I don't think. Maybe they just didn't have it on.
For New Year's, he'll get out there and chisel away on it. Merry Christmas, Don.
Have me out.
Glad you came
Well,
up.
you're holed up in the blizzard tomorrow.
All this and all my beer.
Yeah.
No, I was gonna throw. I bought chicken breasts to throw in the rotisserie for like my brother. I'm gonna cook those. I thought them out, so I'll just throw those in tomorrow. Yes, I.
Oh my goodness, 31 to 17.
I'm Gumby, damn it.
Wow, I mean, we got probably. Where we shoveled already. Where we shoveled. So, where can I measure? It would be good. I give a measure.
Yeah. You want to go outside? You want to pee? Hurry up and pee. There you go.
Oh, we need to turn on the front porch light.
It doesn't.